case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1985 lawsuit, Williams v. Stewart, heard by the Arizona Court of Appeals, the central issue was the unpredictability of harm and whether or not the defendant could be held liable for it. Plaintiff Charles Lynn Williams, an employee of the Don Stewart Evangelistic Association, claimed to have contracted a sinus infection which escalated to brain damage after he was assigned to clean a particularly dirty swimming pool. Williams brought the negligence action against his employer, Don Stewart, alleging that the unhygienic state of the pool had created a potential health hazard. According to the plaintiff, the defendant's laxity contributed to the progression of his infection. However, the court deduced that the complications suffered by Williams were not only unforeseeable, but also unlikely, thereby absolving Stewart and his organization of any liability. The court observed that even if the cleanliness of the pool was compromised due to negligence, Williams's brain damage was beyond the scope of expected dangers. The final decision highlighted that the degree of injury inflicted on Williams fell outside the reasonable anticipation of Stewart or any pool owner. The court firmly posited that holding pool owners strictly liable for unforeseen and rare incidences would be unfair. Accordingly, Stewart walked free from the allegations, setting a precedent about the unforeseeability of harm in such circumstances.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.